Hello children, welcome to Jagran Public School Noida. Today I am Samita Purala going to teach you about weather and season. Now let's start. Weather is the state of the atmosphere with respect to wind, temperature, cloudiness, moisture, pressure, etc. The weather is not the same on all days. It keeps changing from day to day. It may be hot, cold, windy, cloudy, or rainy. Change in weather is caused by sun, wind, cloud, and rain. When one type of weather continues for many days, we call it a season. Season. A season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. The four seasons spring, summer, fall, or you can say autumn, and winter follow one another regularly. Each has its own light, temperature, and weather pattern that repeat yearly. Let's know more about season in detail. Summer. In summer, the sun shines very brightly and it is very hot and sunny. Days are long and nights are short. We sweat a lot and feel thirsty all the time. We like to have cold water, cold drinks, and juices. We like to wear cotton clothes as they absorb sweat easily. And when we wear them, we feel cool. Some people go to the hill stations in summer. Hot winds called Lu blow in summer. The beauty of nature increases in this season. The weather is also pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the season of flowers and butterflies. Spring is called Basant in Hindi. Autumn is dry and windy season. In autumn, the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Dry leaves fall from trees. We enjoy this season but miss the beauty of nature which we observe during the spring season. We feel cold in winter. Days become short and nights are long. Mountains and hilly areas have snowfall. We use blankets and quilts to keep ourselves warm during the winter. We also wear woolen clothes and use heaters or light a fire to stay warm. We like to have hot drinks and hot food. Rainy season, also known as monsoon. The weather is cloudy and cool winds blow all the time. We can hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. We use an umbrella or wear a raincoat and gum boots to protect ourselves from getting wet. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. Children, many times you get confused about climate and weather. The two really are quite different. Weather describes the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time, from day to day or week to week, while climate describes average conditions over a longer period of time. When you will step out, you will experience many phases of weather. humidity, air temperature and pressure, wind speed and direction, cloud cover and type, and the amount and form of precipitation are all atmospheric characteristics of the momentary condition we call weather. The sun is ultimately responsible for the weather. Its rays are absorbed differently by land and water surfaces. Climate is definitely a broader term. The climate of an area or country is known through the average weather over a long period of time. If an area has more dry days throughout the year than wet days, it would be described as a dry climate. A place which has more cold days than hot days would make it known to have a cold climate. Do you know, children, what causes weather and seasons? Earth's tilted axis causes the season. Throughout the year, different parts of Earth receive the sun's most direct rays. So when the North Pole tilts toward the sun, it is summer in the northern hemisphere, and when the South Pole tilts toward the sun, it is winter in the northern hemisphere. Children, now you know about what causes season and weather. Now look into this map. This is our country, India. The climate of India comprises a wide range of weather conditions across a vast geographic scale. Climate in South India is generally hotter than North India. Most part of the nation don't experience temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius in winter, and the temperature usually tend to exceed 40 degrees Celsius during summer. In India, we experience 6 types of season. Now let's know about them. The year is divided into 6 seasons: Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharat and Hemant. Shishir is the cold winter season. Vasant is the spring season. New flowers bloom and new leaves grow on trees. The weather is pleasant. Grishma is the summer season. It is very hot and we wear light color cotton clothes. We like to stay indoor with fan cooler. We bath in cold water. We enjoy having cold drinks, ice cream, etc. Varsha is the rainy season. We use umbrellas or raincoats when we go outside. Sharat is the autumn season. Most of the trees shed their leaves during this season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. The weather is pleasant. Hemant is the winter season. It is very cold. We wear woolen clothes, use blankets or kilt at night and like to have hot drinks like tea or coffee. We bath in hot water too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Must read the chapter 15 Weather and Seasons in your EVS book and do the exercise given in the back side of the chapter.